bitch. So a bitch was gonna pack last night, but a bitch fell asleep for 6 hours. And now my friend's been telling me I gotta get ready by 8 a.m. and it's 6:30. So my ass is trying to pack. And this bitch just woke up. And look at this mess. So I'm trying to pack. And I'm gonna fucking rush and I'm gonna fucking forget everything. Watch. It's not my shit. It's not my shit. We're motherfucking here.
Bear, I have the lock number. Oh my god, give me a sec. It's gonna be
60.
Damn, that's clutch.
wow.
LMG.
Hey, this is nice.
Have you guys ever gotten a house for Coachella?
So pretty. Oh, look at the pool. We just gotta clean it.
Dang. We're gonna jump in here now. Fuck yeah. Tour. This is a pool. Koozie. This is nice. This is the Grandmaster room. Oh my gosh, everyone, look at this, my hotel. It's so nice. Oh my god, the Grandmaster toilet, the Grandmaster mirror. Oh my gosh, this is my Grandmaster bedroom. Yes. Yes, everybody, we have arrived. We're in Coachella now, Coachella territory. I wanted to camp, but I would go camping, but a patio. Yes, yes. I'm gonna get my michelada started, boo. I didn't show you guys that I have fresh flip-flops. I have fresh sandals. Ayy. I'm just chilling right now. With my Nikes on by the poolside. So I'm just currently poolside right now, living the life. It's the outfit of the day. Got my Nikes on. We just chilling right now, or in traffic right now. We're just not in either place. We're here, one with nature on earth. I'm in, yo. I'm really motherfucking out here already. I'm already fucking tired from walking. I mean, from this alcohol and beer. But we Gucci. Car camping spot right now. What? They have ciders. I can feel it. My shoes already dirty. I just got some fresh boots. But it's my outfit of the day.
I ain't never ran from nothing but the police. Louder. I ain't never ran from nothing but the police. Coachella, I said louder. I ain't never ran from nothing but the police. Yeah.
Fuck it up, sister. Fuck it up. Fuck it up. Going back and forth. I need your support. No. She opened your heart up. So I'm on my way back now. Hey, we on our way back now. We made it through. And we did as fuck. We did, but not completely dead. As fuck. We're still ready for another round tomorrow.
Yeah, and the next day.
And day after and forever.
Alright, get in, fucker.